Hello, it's Ritik Jaswal, Data Science and Business Analytics Intern at the Sparks Foundation. I'm going to demonstrate the task, which was exploratory data analysis of sports under the graduate rotational internship program. So let's move to the demonstration part. I have used the Jupyter Notebook for analyzing IPL data analysis, and with the help of various Python libraries, including pandas, numpy, seaborn, and matplotlib, I have analyzed the data. So as usual, firstly, we need to import the data. Here it is. After that, we can check what are the columns in the data set. You can see city, date, player of the match, venue, neutral venue, team 1, team 2, among whom the match was played. And here is the match data shape, which is the total number of matches played. It's 816. Here are the venues where the IPL matches were hosted. It was Bangalore, Chandigarh, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, etc. and so on. Here are the stadiums, which is M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Punjab Cricket Association Stadium, Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium, Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, and so on. And here are the teams: Royal Challengers Bangalore, Kings 11 Punjab, Delhi Daredevils, Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders, and so on. And every match has toss, and one team wins the toss who choose either bat or ball. So here it is, the toss winners, and here are the total batsmen by using the batsman as unique. And we also need to lay emphasis on the players who are contributing to the match winning. So here is the players who contributes to the match winning as major role. So they are judged as player of the match. You can see AB de Villiers won 23 man of the match, followed by Chris Gale 22, and so on. And I again imported the usual libraries in order to generate the pie chart. So here it is. You can see that the team which won the toss either elects to bat, which is shown in blue bar, and if team wins the toss, elects to field, is shown in orange bar. It is shown season by season. In every season except 2009, 2010, and 2013, team who wins the toss usually choose to field first, except for 2009-10 and 2013 season. So let's move on whether toss win contributes to the winning factor or not. In the form of pie chart, we have got the result. So as usual, we firstly find the team who win the toss and the result of that match. Here you can see that 51.2% of the times that team who wins the toss wins the game. So it is not a reliable parameter to judge whether the team would be winning just on the basis of toss. So here are the winners of every IPL edition from 2008 to 2020, since this data has record till 2020's IPL. Now let's calculate which team won the major number of IPL. So we store the data and using counter we calculate it. So here you can see Mumbai Indians won 5 times, followed by Chennai Super Kings 3 times, Kolkata Knight Riders 2 times, Rajasthan Royals, Deccan Chargers, and Sunrisers Hyderabad each 1 time. So that was about the total number of winning teams by the IPL title. Now let's calculate the total number of wins by each team with respect to the total number of matches played by each team. So here it is. Mumbai Indians won most of the matches, followed by Chennai 106 match, whereas Mumbai won 120, followed by Kolkata Knight Riders. And here it is, the total matches played versus the wins, and we merged it using the inner join in order to obtain the graph. So the graph is this. The blue bar represents total matches played, red bar represents teams won. Now let us look at the insights. So the total matches played till 2020 is 816. And since we were asked that who were the most influential players whom the companies can hire for promoting their products. So AB de Villiers, Chris Gayle, Rohit Sharma, David Warner, and MS Dhoni were the eminent personalities because they contributed majorly for winning the matches for their respective team. So company can use them for their brand ambassador. Batsmen were mostly caught by catches for getting dismissed, and team who wins the toss wins 51% times of matches. And like I said earlier, Mumbai Indians won huge number of times IPL, which is 5, followed by Chennai Super Kings, who won 3 IPL titles, and then Kolkata Knight Riders with 2 wins. And like I said, that Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings are the biggest team with huge fan following. So that was all about this project.